The Xiaomi Robot Vacuum Cleaner X20 Plus is a powerful all-in-one cleaning solution designed to take the effort out of home maintenance. This robot vacuum combines intelligent navigation, robust suction, and a fully automated all-in-one station to provide a hands-free cleaning experience. With features like automatic dust collection, whole house sweeping and mopping, and voice control, the X20 Plus is a significant step forward in smart home technology, offering a new level of convenience for busy households. All-in-one automatic station. The defining feature of the X20 Plus is its versatile all-in-one station. This impressive unit, with dimensions of 586 by 427 by 340 millimeters, is more than just a charging dock. It handles automatic dust collection, emptying the robot's dust bin after each cleaning session, and also features air drying for the mopping pads, preventing mildew and odor. This completely automates the most tedious aspects of robot vacuum ownership. Powerful cleaning performance. The robot vacuum cleaner uses an advanced navigation system to efficiently map your home and plan the most optimal cleaning routes. The combination of sweeping and mopping functions ensures that both dry and wet cleaning needs are met, leaving your floors spotless. Advanced smart features and connectivity. The X20 Plus integrates seamlessly into your smart home ecosystem. It supports voice control, allowing you to start, stop, or schedule cleanings with simple commands. As a global version, it is compatible with various smart home platforms, offering a user-friendly and connected experience. Efficient and intelligent operation. The robot vacuum cleaner uses an advanced navigation system to efficiently map your home and plan the most optimal cleaning routes. The combination of sweeping and mopping functions ensure that both dry and wet cleaning needs are met, leaving your floors spotless. Technical specifications. Robot dimensions 350 by 350 by 97 millimeters. Robot net weight 3.67 kilograms. Rated voltage 14.4 V. Rated power 75 W. All-in-one station dimensions 586 by 427 by 340 millimeters. Rated input 220 to 240 volts, 50 to 60 hertz. Rated output 20 volts, 1 amp. Power consumption 1000 watts dust emptying, 30 watts cleaning, 30 watts air drying plus charging. In summary, the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum Cleaner X20 Plus is a compelling choice for anyone seeking a truly automated home cleaning solution. Its powerful sweeping and mopping capabilities, combined with the convenience of an all-in-one station that handles automatic dust collection and pad drying, significantly reduces the manual effort required for a clean home. With its smart features and seamless integration, the X20 Plus is a modern and efficient tool for a smarter, cleaner living space. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Smart Home Hub for more smart home gadget reviews.